Do you want to manage your Facebook page and ads all in one place? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to connect your Facebook page to Meta Business Manager. First, log in to your Meta Business Manager account using your business credentials. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and click on Business Settings icon. This is where you can manage all your assets, pages, ad accounts, and people. Now, under the Accounts section in the left sidebar, click on Pages. This area lists all Facebook pages currently connected to your business manager. Next, click on the Add button. You'll see three options appear. Add an existing page if you already own or have admin access to the page. Request shared access to a page if someone else owns the page and you need permission. Or create a new page if you want to start fresh with a new Facebook page. For this tutorial, I'll select the first option, Add an existing page. A new window will pop up. Type your Facebook page name or paste the page URL into the search box. Once your page appears, click on it to select. Finally, click on Add Page to complete the process. Assign the page to people in Business Manager. If you're not the page owner or admin, you'll need to request access. The page admin will receive a notification to approve your request. And that's it. Your Facebook page is now successfully connected to Meta Business Manager. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Meta Ads tutorials.